So why is B vitamins so vitally important for racing pigeons? Racing pigeons need to be supplemented by B vitamins and B complex because it supports immunity and betters immunity. It supports the nerve system. It helps with the forming of new red blood cells, so there's more energy, so more speed, recovery and endurance. So B vitamins are basically the foundation and the building blocks on which a pigeon's health is concentrated. So my 3 ways of supplementing my pigeons is, first of all, I use king corn. Now king corn, let me just show you, is malted sorghum. So you can buy it in packs like this. This, for example, is a 3 kg pack at the supermarket, and it is malted sorghum. So what I do is I feed it in the trays once a week, and usually on Sundays, and that is a great source of B vitamins. So that king corn is the first method. Secondly, I use white sorghum. Now, this is how it looks, the white sorghum, but I apply a special method, which I'm going to demonstrate to you, is I mix a little Condis crystal, iodine crystals into water, and then I soak the white sorghum overnight in it, and then I give it to the racing pigeons. There's lots of advantages there. And then in the third place is you can also use brewer's yeast, either the tablets or the powder form. It's highly effective and it's also inexpensive. So let me show you some of the practicalities. So the mix I use to put in the water to iodate the white sorghum is called Condis crystals. Just take a knife point and put it in the water, and the water will color to a light purple color. So then you take the white sorghum and you add it to the water. You add it to the iodated water, and then you can leave it overnight to suck up to the water iodated mix. And I usually give that on a Thursday morning, the morning of basketing. It's also effective, the iodine, against crop canker and trichomonas. It's a great supplementation of B vitamins. So I use this Condis crystals. It's iodated crystals, and you can buy it from your chemist or pharmacy. And just a knife point full to 2 or 3 liters of water for the iodine in it. You can also add this iodated crystals to the bath water of pigeons. It's excellent. It's an excellent remedy. Iodine crystals. So the king corn is one of my favorite supplements to use. It is a malted sorghum. You can see here it's small. The pigeons do like it. They eat it easily, they take to it easily, and it's an excellent source of B vitamins, this malted sorghum. And I give this as much as they want on Sundays. It's great for recovery. and it just makes a great difference to the pigeons. Malted sorghum. So that completes 3 easy ways to supplement your racing pigeons with B vitamins. I hope you did enjoy this and have a great day.